Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some very cute home decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I'm reusing this Dollar Tree sign. As you can see, it is a little messed up. I forgot what I removed from this, but that is a whole bunch of glue right there. I am going to cover that up using some of the Dollar Tree succulents. I'm showing you these right here, but I already had this one right here, which I removed from a little Dollar Tree planter that had this succulent. Now I'm going to glue it there, but then I'm going to use different stuff to make a bigger, how do I say it, floral, like a little floral thing. So I am using different things that I already had. Dollar Tree does carry different succulents that you can use. So far, this is what I have added, and honestly, I think I'm gonna stop here because I'm going to add this blessed little wood sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. Dollar Tree does carry some wood letters that you can use instead. Now I'm going to add this slanted on this side, but honestly, you can even keep adding more succulents to this instead. For my next project, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree candle holders. As you can see, the top part is solid. In the back, when you remove the sticker, there is a hole. So that's how I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna turn it around and use this as a planter. I will be adding these two Dollar Tree succulents. Now, after I added them, I felt like it needed more, so I do end up adding some more greenery, and I think this made this perfect, beautiful succulent planter. For my next project, I'm using this window decor that I already had. This is from the Dollar Tree. Now, I had removed this welcome sign, which I decided to just leave it there instead. So I am going to just simply glue it back. I will be adding a Dollar Tree succulent to the center of this window. And to finish it off, I made a bow, and I'm going to add it to one of the sides where the hanger is at. And that is it. This was very easy and simple, and look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree laundry sign. I am going to remove the laundry wood sign. It's not even wood, I'm sorry, this laundry sign. I tried to remove this carefully, but I do end up just tearing this off. Now I'm going to add some succulents to this. Everything I'm using is from Dollar Tree. I used 3 Dollar Tree succulents, and then I just used some normal greenery that I had, and I just added it here and there. But I completed this. Look how beautiful this turned out. Now you can use this either like a little planter, like on a table, or you can hang this. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.